Okay, first things first, I am not a professional. Clean your eyelashes, then dry them. Make sure your fan is facing the right way. That's the bond I'm using. That's the glue. I got them on Amazon. These are the lashes I'm using. I got them from shopmissa.com. The bond applicators I got from Amazon. The spoolies I got from Amazon. I am a makeup artist, so some of these things I already had in my makeup kit. I poured too much glue. I didn't end up using even half of that. Trust me, you do not need that much glue. I'm prepping my eyelashes here, applying some bond before I apply the glue. I think that just helps the eyelashes stick better. By the way, this is my second attempt at doing this on myself, so please be kind. Do not trash me, or whatever. Don't be mean. I put way too much, almost went blind. Then I dried them. If your eyelashes are wet, the glue will not stick to them. So I started with the long ones on my outer corner, and then I did medium in the center, short in the inner. It's a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. I lied. It's not pretty simple, but you just play around, get the hang of it, and then bond them, dry them immediately so that the fumes don't kill you, the fumes don't blind you, because the fumes are very strong. I didn't record the entire process because I know you guys just want to see the final result. So once you glue, you bond, and then you dry. Boom. So here is the final result, because I know that's all you guys wanted to see. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, look at that. They look natural. They don't look crazy. They don't look like spiders. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.